Ma'am, be honest with you, no? I'm so disappointed. Sana man lang kinonsultan niyo muna ako as your legal counsel. It could have avoided this situation.
I have my own reasons kung bakit ako kumuha ng ibang abogado to handle this case. I'm not obligated to disclose them to you, okay? Now, Charlie, sinesweldohan kita para sa trabaho mo sa kumpanya bilang legal counsel. So hanggat sinesweldohan kita, you don't have any right to complain.
But, Ma'am Moria, you know,
whatever you're gonna say, keep it to yourself. Otherwise, baka mapilitan akong palitan ka permanently.
Ana.
Lola.